Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I wanted to showcase a 3D model I'll be sharing for a stand solution for a 20.1 Arcooda LCD.
So hot right now.
So that's an LCD screen that was specifically designed with arcade use in mind, and it natively supports 15 kHz signals, which is pretty uncommon. These monitors being designed for cabinets, they don't have a stand, they're meant to be screwed in using the side brackets. One of my mates bought one to use as a test monitor when he works on arcade PCBs. He needs the monitor to stand on his workbench with a small footprint and be easy to rotate. So we made feet that can be 3D printed and mounted on all four corners of the screen. This way it can be rotated in all four possible orientations. And this is to cater to the scenario where the orientation of the PCB cannot be easily changed. For the print settings, I used 20% infill and a 0.3mm layer height. No need for supports. The print time was about 4 hours for each and about 7 hours when I printed two at the same time, like you see here. For the installation, you will need some M5 nuts and bolts. The length of the bolt needs to be minimum 14mm, and it's a good idea also to add some washers because the holes of the brackets are oval, and adding a little bit of footprint can give you a little bit more grip, especially in this case where the screw head is really small. Before you install the feet, you want to remove the brackets and flip them around so that they sit flush, like on the photo on the left. The right is how it comes from factory, but you want them flush with the panel for these feet. You can then just slide the foot on, hold the bolt with one hand and the nut in the other, and start screwing. The nut should fall into the cradle in the print automatically. And this is how it should look. I've designed the feet with 10 degrees inclination, so the monitor stands at 80 degrees. And that applies to both TATE and YOKO. So here we can see the monitor in TATE, and we're going to rotate it 4 ways. So here we go, that's how you rotate it. And again, and back to its original position. This concludes the video. The links to download the files will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.